Today we're going to work question number 30, and what the question is asking for is a side of a triangle A. We are given the angle of B and C and the side of C, which is 557, and the angles for B is 44 and 98. So what I did, grabbed a sheet of paper, and I drew the triangle on the sheet of paper with the angles, and I just marked them. I just marked the sides A, B, C, and lowercase c, A, and B. So what the question is asking is for this side of the triangle. So in order to do that, we have two methods. We have the law of sines and the law of cosines. And since we don't have, and we know the side of this one, which is 557. And since we have a completed set, we could figure out what the side of A could be and B. But we also have to figure out this angle. But that's simple, because all we have to do is add 98 to 44 and subtract it from 180. So let's do that. Gives us 142. Just take 180 minus 142, and we'll get 38. 38 would be this angle. So now that we've solved this angle, you can go ahead and use that to our advantage and solve for on the side of A. So we have a completed set. We can use the law of sines. The way we're going to use that, we're going to try to solve for B first, then A. So we would take this set, write it down here, sine with the degree of 98, then at the bottom put 557 equals sine 44 x. And since we're trying to find B at the moment, we need to put x at the bottom and put the angle that we have for B on top. So it'll be 44. So it'll be sine of 44 degrees. So next step we have to do is cross multiply. We'll have to cross multiply, get x by itself. So we would 557 cross multiply with sine, so we'll get 557 sine degree of 44 equals x times sine 98 degrees x. So now we want to get x by itself, so we'll divide sine 98 from both sides. That's what we'll get. Now we can use our calculator to find x. Okay, we want to go ahead and use our calculator for this portion, and we want to divide the top by the bottom. So 557 sine with a degree of 44, divide that by sine 98 degrees, so we can get our B, our side of B, I mean. So go ahead and do that. Put control on this button right here. Right here. Gives that. We'll go ahead and put 557 sine. Then put our angle 44. Always remember to put your degree symbol on there. And then at the bottom put the sine 98, the degree symbol. Go ahead and press enter. And it will give us this length for B. But the question asked us to round it to the nearest hundred. So the nearest hundred is the second digit after the decimal. So we'll have to round that. So it'll be 390.73. So that'll be our B length. Now that we have B as a complete set, we could go ahead and find the length of A. So we'll use the law of sines. Same way we did for B, we're going to do it for A. So let's go ahead and write that, the equation that we're going to use. So since we know the angle of B and the angle of A, we can go ahead and use that. So it'll be sine 44 over 390.73. So now we know our length of B. So that is why put 390.73 at the bottom, and we'll find equals sine 38 because that's the angle of A, x, since we're trying to find the side. Now we can cross multiply. X sine 44 degrees now we have to find x by itself, so we divide sine 44 degrees on both sides, get x by itself, be x 390.73 sine 38 degrees. Divide that by sine 44. Now we can use our calculator to find this. Now that we have our equation, we could go ahead and solve it in the calculator. So we're going to do the same thing we did with the first equation. Divide top by the bottom. So it'll be 390.73, or for a more accurate number, we could go ahead and just go up here and press enter. And it'll give us the actual number, and then we'll put sine, and then sine 38 degrees. Go ahead and put that whole equation as we have it here. Go ahead and press enter. Then we'll get our actual length for A. So it'll be 346.20.294, and it says round to the nearest hundred, so it'll be, as it is, 346.29, and that's our length of A.